Hi guys, welcome back to our channel High Tech Homes. My name is Raman Sharma and today I'll be showing you a property which is in DLF Phase 4, 360 square yards on 18-meter wide road, one of the most ultra luxury property and one of the most finest property available in the market, and top with terrace is also available. So let's start the virtual tour of this property with the drawing area. As soon as we enter into the drawing area, this is one of the most beautiful lights. आज के टाइम में जो बिल्डर्स हैं, मुझे तो लगता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंपटीशन तो इस वजह से हो गया कि यार कौन सा बिल्डर कौन सी लाइट्स लगाएगा। जिस फ्लोर में मैं जाता हूँ हर फ्लोर में डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लाइट्स दिखती है एंड पता नहीं मैं बहुत अट्रैक्टेड हूँ लाइट्स की तरफ। बाकी मैं स्पेसिफिकेशन का बताऊँ तो आपको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वॉल पैनलिंग मिल जाएगी एंड दिस इज PU फिनिश. इट्स वन ऑफ द एक्सपेंसिव फिनिश. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, वी आर गेटिंग टू काइंड्स ऑफ वॉल पैनलिंग. दिस वन इज द फ्रॉस्टेड ग्लास and this one is the gloss glass. This is again PU finish. If we talk about the false ceilings, I think so one of the most beautiful false ceilings that I have ever seen. You will be getting a proper chandelier and this is VRV ducting. There is your AC. The AC is of Daikin company and the flooring is of course इतना बड़ा floor है इतनी अच्छी location पे. The flooring is of Italian marble. So let's enter into the first room. As soon as we enter into the first room, on the left hand side this is a TV panel. On the right hand side we get one of the most beautiful bed bag. And this is the washroom that has been attached to the first room. This is the walk-in closet. This is also the storage space. Now we enter into the washroom. The size of the washroom is amazing and one of the best thing is that this washroom has Italian marble and this is the bathing area. This comes your LED mirror. This is the walk-in closet with LED fittings and everything. As we took exit from the first room, we enter into the second room. Each and every room has their own personal washroom. This is the storage space with LED fittings. This wall is looking so beautiful. This is the attached washroom of the second room. The size of this washroom is also amazing and this washroom is connected with the powder room and we have this sensor light also. Now we'll be taking exit from the second washroom, which is the powder room now. So we enter into the dining area. On the right hand side, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is totally modular. So you will be getting hob, chimney, microwave, oven. So the color theme is really amazing. So the hob, chimney, microwave, oven is of the company CAF and this is totally soft close. जहाँ तक हम बात करें किचन के बारे में, किचन में भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा वेस्टर्न लुक दिया हुआ है. जैसे आप शेप एंड साइज की बात करें, अल्टीमेट फिनिश. एंड दिस इज द स्टोरेज स्पेस. Now I am entering into the third room. This is the dressing area. This comes the washroom. Same thing, beautiful mirror. And this is the bathing area. And the fittings that you will be getting in the washroom is of Grohe company. Each and every room has different kind of interiors done. इस wall का भी जो POP design that is totally different. This comes your closet and this comes your sitting area. अच्छा है, मम्मी पापा उधर बैठे हैं, बच्चे इधर बैठे हैं, हम इधर TV देख रहे हैं. This comes the back balcony. This is the fourth room and this is the design of the wall. This comes your washroom. एक और चीज़ जो इस फ्लोर में बहुत ही अमेजिंग है वो है सेंसर लाइट्स. हर वॉशरूम में, हर रूम में आपको एक सेंसर लाइट ज़रूर मिल रही है कि ताकि अगर रात को सारी लाइट्स ऑफ हों तो आपके मूवमेंट से वो लाइट्स ऑन हो जाए. So it's a really good thing. This is the storage space and this comes the profile lighting with the wooden paneling. So this looks really good. So let me explain you the layout of this floor. This comes the drawing area and this comes the first room. Both are connected with the front balcony. Then comes the second room and this comes the powder room which is connected with the second room only. And this comes your third room. kitchen, fourth room, and both the rooms as well as the kitchen is connected with the back balcony. So in short, you will be getting hob, chimney, microwave oven, ACs, lights, interiors, everything. everything. So it's a pretty luxury house. So guys, I hope you have loved the virtual tour of this property. This is one of the finest property available in DLF Phase 4 in amazing location, gated locality, post location. At this point of time, all the 4 floors are available. To book your visit and to know the price, so please call us at 8929028000 and please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel High Tech Homes. This is Raman Sharma signing off. Take care.